Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use our water heating system. So this is water heater for the cabin. So it's high voltage system. It can be 100 volt, 200 volt or 400 volt system. So in this example we will use 96 volts or 100 volt system. So the cold water comes in and heater heats it up, and hot water goes to your cabin ventilation system. So this is the existing car ventilation system, and then returns back as cold water over the pump and again into the heater, and this is the closed loop. This is the bottle for adding more water in your car. So this is existing bottle from your existing car. So without replacing it, you can use the existing one. Only important part is that this part needs to be the highest position. So this connection must be the highest position in your water loop. You can use this to refill cooling system. Okay, in this example we'll use high voltage. So this will be using 100 volts. And this supply will be using 12 volts, so for powering thermostat, relays, water pump and ventilation system. So we will start with the high voltage. So you can see nothing works here. We will start with the high voltage. So the high voltage is now active. We are at 100 volts. As you can see, 100 volts, and current usage is 0 amps. That's because low voltage controls the heater and cannot be activated without low voltage activating the relays and thermostat that monitors temperature inside of the water heater. There are multiple security measurements inside. One is thermostat. There is one more thermostat that makes sure that water doesn't boil out, and some other features. Okay, we'll now power 12 volt system. So you can see we have 12 volts and currently using 10 amps or 130 watts. After we activated 12 volt system, you can see that we are now using 24.6 amps. So this is 2.5 kilowatt power, and you can see temperature is rising up. Now the water circulates. It's not possible to see it here, but the water is circulating. We have some visible lines here, but transparent lines, but it's not possible to see the water flow. And ventilation system is now working, as you can hear it. If we reduce the voltage, we can slow down the ventilation system. And the water flow will be at the same speed. As you can see, 100 volts is still the same, and at 24 amps or 25 amps using 2.5 kilowatts of power. Okay, now the lines are warm, and after the temperature is at the correct level, the thermostat will turn off the heater and the amps will fall down to 0. So it only activates the heater when the hot water needs to be boiled. We now see how it goes down. So the thermostat has put the water down, the heater down, and it will activate again when needed. So it depends on the water flow speed and ventilation speed, how fast you cool the water, and thermostat will control this in your car. So this system is for 96 volt system, 200 volt system on 180 and 400 volt systems. So we have the same exact combination and can work up to 400 volts. So on this power supply we are powering with 12 volts the thermostat and the contactor inside of the heater and water pump, and from the back side we are using also the same power to power the ventilation system in your car. This is the exact same setup you will have in your car. Only difference will be that you will have some kind of switch on the lines to activate 12 volt or deactivate it for heating activation and activation. So for this thin line you have activation, and that's it. That's the only difference. So this is very powerful heating and very good for winter, so you will not have any problems. Our range of heater is between 700 to up 3.5 kilowatts. So we have many different combinations and all depends on the setup. This heating system is only with our EV conversion kit, so you cannot buy it separately, but it must come with the EV conversion kit, at least for now.